I'm Bob Schwartz, and I'm coming to you to talk about hernia mesh for our first quarter 2026 newsletter. The hernia mesh litigation, as we have discussed in the past, has basically four arms to it. The first arm is the product made by Bard. There are over 23,000, almost 24,000 cases. And while a settlement program has been put in place, it's not going to be out for enrollment until January of 2027. Then there's Ethicon, and Ethicon is the one that's actually already settling. There were about 200 cases there. And the third is Covidin. Covidin had a bellwether trial or a test trial scheduled for February 17th of this year, 2026 in Boston. And it was rescheduled to July of this year, 2026, pending the outcome of some more settlement discussions. And so it's scheduled for specifically July 13th if the settlements are not fruitful. The fourth is the Atrium Secure litigation, and it's settling its inventory. So let me tell you, as I've told you before, everybody who we represent has a case filed in the appropriate litigation. Each client has to qualify for a settlement that might be put into place. Just because you have a lawsuit filed doesn't mean you qualify for compensation. We call them gates that we have to put you through in order to qualify. And those gates can be everything from typically exposure to proper injury, whether you've had the mesh removed, which is always going to be a very big, important gate, and the type of injury that you had from the implantation and removal of the mesh. So it may be, and I am doubtful, but it may be that people who have not had the mesh removed will get compensated. That's typically not the case, but we will see. The other criteria that might be in place would be the number of surgeries that a client has had, any chronic pain they experienced, the amount of mesh failure that has occurred, any organ damage that occurred as a result of the mesh being implanted, any permanent disability, lost wages or diminished earning capacity, or any other objective factor of diminished quality of life. There will also be deductions that will be applied for pre-existing conditions. And as with all global settlements, all cases are included and people will be compensated if they qualify. So BCA's hernia mesh clients will be notified when a settlement allocation has been made for their case. It takes a lot of work on our part to get everybody through these gates to qualify them for the settlement. At any rate, when a settlement is reached, we will announce that and we will let you know what we need you to do next. We have all your records. We have all the information that we need. If we need anything else, we will certainly contact you. This is a very lengthy process, so your patience is appreciated. If you have any questions, you can always contact us through our website at bcaclients.com. Thank you.
You've been watching a litigation update with Brent Kuhn and Associates. Brent Kuhn and Associates is a nationally recognized law firm and the epitome of the 21st century law practice. The firm has built its reputation on the satisfaction of its clients and the respect of both colleagues and opponents. Our mission is to help ensure that individuals' rights are protected and their well-being respected. For more information about Brent Kuhn and Associates and current litigation, please visit bkuhnlaw.com.